Hello everyone, today I have something interesting for you. I've got a blog post of mine and I'm going to give it a completely new look. By using Lumen5 I'm transforming this blog, this article, into a dynamic video. Keep watching until the end, because then I tell you what else you can do with Lumen5. I first translated my article into English with the help of ChatGPT and then used Lumen5 to turn it into an engaging video. Now I have entered the workspace of Lumen5 and I choose for new video. I choose a template like magnified. Use this template. I choose text or media because I want to convert a blog post. And I pass the translated script, the translated text here. But I can also import an URL or upload a document. Then I choose compose script. Lumen5 have composed a script based on the translated blog post. I can change the video title, the duration, but that's an advanced tool where you have to upgrade your account. Also for the tone and some other script instructions. Let's continue by pressing the continue button on the right side. I tried Lumen5 twice and the first time it went on in about 30 seconds and a second try it took me about 10 minutes. So meanwhile, if it takes a long time, just make yourself a cup of coffee. In the next screen you can edit the titles of the several elements of the video, but you can also add a new block or delete a block. Then you press convert to video and then Lumen5 will make a video. Lumen5 is now creating the scenes. So here you have it, all the slides and the text you have changed or which was generated. And if you don't like any slide, you can choose a new video here in the library, or you can take a GIF file, or you can upload your own files. Let's say I want to change the opening slide with this one. So I drag and drop the video and then you have it here. And I can also change the text if I want, or swap a design and change the number of seconds the slide of the scene is shown. When you are satisfied with all the scenes and the position of the scenes or deleting some scenes, you can see a preview. If you want to change the music, you can change it here, default music, and then I click on the track and then it's there. And when you are ready, you can publish your video. And after the video is rendered, you can share it, edit, or prepare a download. So let's prepare the video for a download. There it is, and then I download it and it will come to you as an MP4 file. Lumen5 can convert any text from blog articles to scripts, uploaded documents into a video. And you can choose from different styles and layouts to customize the video to your needs. Also, Lumen5 interface is quick to understand. You can add text and images, select music and change the order of the scenes. And beside that, there's a large media library. Lumen5 offers an extensive library of stock photos, videos and music, which you can use for free in your video. And more importantly, you can also upload and use your own video. And at the end, you can export it in different formats and resolutions to make them suitable for different platforms such as YouTube, Instagram or even Facebook. Thanks for watching. Did you enjoy this video? Give a thumbs up and don't forget to hit the subscribe button so you automatically get more valuable videos. See you next time.